Join us as we take you on a culinary journey like no other. Today we're diving into the rich tapestry of Native American cuisine with a special focus on the top 25 dishes that have not only shaped culinary history but also influenced the world as we know it. From the heart of the continent to its diverse corners, these recipes are more than just food. They're stories. Stories of resilience, culture, and the deep connection between the indigenous people and the land they inhabit. So get ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your culinary horizons. This is more than a meal. It's a celebration of heritage. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the finest stories and culinary experiences from across the globe. Number 25, fry bread. Hailing from the Navajo Nation, fry bread is more than a dish. It's a cultural icon. This golden-hued bread made from flour, water, and fat is deep-fried to perfection, often enjoyed with toppings like beans, cheese, or meats. Its historical significance traces back to the introduction of flour by traders, showcasing the adaptability of native cuisine. Number 24, Iroquois white corn soup. The Iroquois white corn soup is a testament to the enduring power of tradition. This soup, a staple among the Iroquois people, features the three sisters, corn, beans, and squash, in a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Each ingredient holds cultural significance, reflecting the deep connection the Iroquois have with their food and heritage. Number 23, Chichen Itza turkey. The Chichen Itza turkey is a culinary masterpiece that reflects the fusion of Mayan and Spanish influences. This dish, popular in the Yucatan, features marinated turkey cooked in its own juices alongside chopped pumpkin seeds, showcasing the unique blend of flavors and ingredients that define native cuisine. Number 22, Cherokee taco soup. The Cherokee taco soup is a delightful fusion of Native American and Mexican culinary traditions. This hearty soup combines the zest of tomatoes, the warmth of spices, and the heartiness of beans and cheese, creating a flavorful journey in every spoonful. Number 21, Hopi tacos. The Hopi tacos offer a fascinating glimpse into the cultural fusion that has shaped Native American cuisine. These tacos, originating from the Hopi tribe in Arizona, feature ingredients like fry bread, beans, and lamb, highlighting the tribe's unique culinary traditions and their influence on broader American food culture. Number 20, Choctaw fried bread pizza. The Choctaw fried bread pizza is a creative twist on traditional pizza, blending Native American culinary heritage with Italian-American flavors. This dish features a fried bread crust topped with ingredients like salsa, beans, and cheese, offering a unique and tasty fusion of cultures. Number 19, Eastern Woodlands clam chowder. The Eastern Woodlands clam chowder is a true delicacy, embodying the essence of native culinary traditions along the Atlantic coast. This chowder, prepared by indigenous peoples from Maine to Florida, showcases the bounty of the sea and the culinary skills of these coastal communities. Number 18, Mescalero chili and cheese burritos. The mescalero chili and cheese burritos offer a spicy and flavorful journey into the heart of New Mexican cuisine. This dish, popular in the Mescalero Apache Nation, features a fiery habanero pepper sauce that adds a tantalizing kick to each bite. Number 17, Sioux buffalo pie. The Sioux buffalo pie is a culinary tribute to the close bond between the Lakota people and the bison. This hearty pie, traditionally cooked in a Dutch oven, features bison meat and locally sourced wild rice, symbolizing the tribe's deep respect for the land and its resources. Number 16, Cajun corn make choux. Cajun corn make choux is a vibrant and flavorful dish that showcases the Gullah Geechee people's culinary heritage. This corn dish, often served as a side, highlights the importance of fresh ingredients and traditional cooking methods in preserving cultural identity. Number 15, Seminole hard bread. The Seminole hard bread is a traditional flatbread that reflects the Seminole tribe's historic journey and resourcefulness. This bread, made from cassava, showcases the tribe's adaptation to new environments and their culinary creativity in the face of adversity. Number 14. Huron Sugar Camp Bread. The Huron Sugar Camp Bread is a delightful fusion of Native American and French-Canadian culinary influences. This sweet bread, traditionally baked in a sugar camp setting, features maple syrup and wild rice, creating a unique blend of flavors and textures. Number 13. Laguna Pueblo Blue Corn Pancakes. The Laguna Pueblo Blue Corn Pancakes offer a vibrant and nutritious start to the day. These pancakes, made from blue cornmeal, showcase the cultural significance of corn in Native American cuisine and its role in shaping culinary traditions. Number 12. Cheyenne Chicken and Dumplings. Cheyenne chicken and dumplings is a heartwarming and comforting dish that reflects the culinary heritage of the Cheyenne people. This chicken and dumpling stew, seasoned with traditional herbs and spices, offers a taste of home and tradition in every bowl. Number 11. Comanche Fry Bread Bowl. The Comanche Fry Bread Bowl is a hearty and flavorful creation that blends Native American culinary traditions with a touch of creativity. This dish features a fry bread bowl filled with ingredients like chili, beans, and cheese, offering a satisfying and delicious meal. Number 10. Tlingit Salmon and Berries. The Tlingit Salmon and Berries is a true celebration of the Pacific Northwest cuisine. This dish, prepared by the Tlingit people of Alaska, showcases the region's abundant natural resources and the culinary artistry of the indigenous communities. Number 9. Mohegan Fried Bread Pudding. The Mohegan Fried Bread Pudding is a unique and decadent dessert that combines Native American culinary ingenuity with a touch of Southern charm. This dish, made with ingredients like cornmeal and molasses, offers a sweet and comforting end to a meal. Number 8. Tohono O'odham Prickly Pear Jelly. The Tohono O'odham Prickly Pear Jelly is a vibrant and refreshing treat that showcases the culinary creativity of the Tohono O'odham people. This jelly, made from the prickly pear cactus, offers a delightful balance of sweet and tart flavors. Number 7. Cherokee Indian Tacos. Cherokee Indian tacos offer a flavorful fusion of Native American and Mexican culinary traditions. These tacos, often served with fry bread, beans, and cheese, highlight the Cherokee Nation's unique culinary heritage and their influence on American food culture. Number 6. Chick-fil, a chicken sandwich. While not explicitly tied to a specific tribe, Chick-fil-A's signature chicken sandwich reflects the broader influence of Native American cuisine on fast food. By serving a crispy chicken sandwich on a soft brioche bun with pickles and a creamy sauce, Chick-fil-A offers a taste of home-style cooking that resonates with many Americans. Number 5. Husk Corn Tortillas. Husk corn tortillas are a tribute to the enduring legacy of the indigenous people of the Americas. Made from dried corn kernels, these tortillas played a pivotal role in shaping Native American cuisine and have influenced culinary traditions across the continent. Number 10. Pomo Acorn Bread. Pomo acorn bread is a fascinating example of how indigenous people of California utilized the natural bounty of their environment. This bread, made from acorn flour, was a vital source of nutrition and cultural significance for the Pomo people, showcasing their deep connection to the land. Number 3. Skokomish Salmon Dip. The Skokomish salmon dip is a delicious and nutritious tribute to the Skokomish people's cultural traditions. This dip, made from smoked salmon, offers a unique blend of flavors and textures while honoring the tribe's historic reliance on salmon. Number 2. Three Sisters Soup. The Three Sisters Soup is a nourishing and flavorful tribute to the interconnectedness of Native American agriculture and culture. This soup, featuring corn, beans, and squash, symbolizes the symbiotic relationship between these crops and the indigenous communities that cultivated them. Number 10. Navajo Rug Bread. The Navajo rug bread is an exquisite example of storytelling through food. This bread, intricately woven with dough resembling a rug, showcases the Navajo people's artistic talent and their ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. And there you have it, folks. Our journey through 25 Native American dishes that changed the world. Each dish is not just a recipe, it's a cultural treasure, a testament to the rich heritage and resilience of the indigenous people of the Americas. We hope this culinary adventure has tantalized your taste buds and inspired you to explore the wonderful world of Native American cuisine. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to show your support, and as always, thanks for watching.